Hey, what's up everybody? I am back with yet another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime box and it shipped, well, it doesn't tell me where, but probably Lexington, Kentucky, but I don't know. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Hit that notification bell. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, which I wish I was, or any of the products, which I wish I was, but I'm going to let you know all about them and what I think about them. First up, we got, this is like, I guess Amazon now is selling their own supplements. This is vitamin C, 1,000 milligram per serving. This is vegan, tested for potency, purity, and integrity, 300 tablets. So yeah, not really much else to talk about this. Vitamin C, it's good for your health. Speaking of vitamin C and probably a lot more vitamins, this is incredible. This is Dole brand tropical fruit. This isn't that heavy syrup fake crap. This is the real deal. I love it. I do the subscribe and save for these. So that's another tip. If you have Prime, look and see if some of your favorite items are there. You know, initially I was buying this in a can, but I found that it's cheaper buying by the case. In the plastic containers, you get a little bit more. In the long run, it's worth it every bit. This is so good. I don't even want any other like canned or jarred fruit. This is so good. It's got mango, papaya, so pineapple, white grape juice from concentrate, papaya, pineapple, lemon, I don't know. Mango, papaya, pineapple, pear, I think pear. It is so good. So I got a case of it. Highly recommend it. If you have a suggestion for something healthy, you know, I'm trying to just do healthy stuff, but you know, I cheat here and there. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of these products or another product that I should check out. So please cash at me at London Hawthorne if you want to help. Go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code when you're checking out after finding a cool shirt, and you'll save like 10% off your shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Thanks so much for watching my video. Wish you the best, and happy hunting on some good stuff. Have a great day.